In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Metal TV laggy or choppy clips. Now, the first thing you can do is actually open up Metal TV, and then you want to go to settings down here at the bottom left, and then in here you want to go to quality. Now, the most common reason why this is happening to you is because down here under video encoder, you maybe don't have GPU selected, okay? So what I would recommend is you actually select GPU instead of CPU, and then after that, you also go ahead and where it says select GPU, select your main graphics card. Okay, so for me, this would be the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU. So make sure you select your main credit card or graphics card. And then over here, you have your resolution. And then here, of course, in case you have full HD or high or whatever right now, go ahead and try a medium. Okay, so go one below where you currently are right now. And then the FPS, you could also try running on 30 FPS instead of 60. And then the bitrate, you can also lower that and see how things change. Okay, so that's the first thing you can do. You could try lowering every single thing here, but usually the most important thing is going to be this video encoder and then the GPU. So make sure you have your main GPU selected. Go ahead, try some clips, and if they're still laggy or choppy, you can do one more thing, actually two. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you want to go inside graphic settings. So just go into settings, go for graphic settings, and in here you want to look into advanced graphic settings, and where it says hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, try turning this off. Okay, when you turn this off, just go ahead, try clipping again and see if this actually helped. If it still didn't, and if you are maybe using Discord together with your clipping, so a lot of us are using Discord on our computer daily, so in case that's open up as well, make sure you go to Discord too, click on the settings button, so the user settings bottom left, and here you want to go into the very bottom where it says advanced. Okay, click on advanced, and where it says hardware acceleration, make sure you turn this off because it says over here, turn this off if you're experiencing visual problems. So if you are, try turning this off and it will give a bit more resources for your Metal TV clipping software. And when you do this, then hopefully your issue has been fixed and you can now fix without any laggy or choppy clips. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.